I'm going to call this video Forgiveness or Victimhood. We get to choose. Are we going to be a victim, or are we going to forgive? You know, we've all been victims one way or another, and Satan is trying to get us to focus on being a victim, so we'll be mad at each other about everything. We got parents mad at children, and wives mad at husband, and churches mad at churches, and preachers mad at other preachers, and we got races mad at other races, and nations against nations, and kingdoms against kingdoms. And you know what? If we sat here and talked about all the ways we've been victims all our lives, we'd all be upset and even sadder. And you see, victimhood, if we choose victimhood, it negates forgiveness. Because you can't focus on being a victim and forgive at the same time. You can't be light and dark at the same time. It's one or the other. We need to choose forgiveness so bitterness doesn't eat us up from the inside out. And when we get rid of our victimhood, we be able to forgive each other and get rid of our bitterness and join together in unity. And that's what God's looking for, and it's what Jesus prayed for. So keep praying for unity, because prayer works. God loves you, and I love you.